Okay, so what do you feel of them? RC is too. Graz, do you view the Saints as a legit contender to win the NFC South?
Oh, absolutely. I think when you look at their defense, it should be an elite unit, and I think that's something that they can definitely count on. I think the Buccaneers, there are some question marks. You know, the new head coach, Todd Bowles, they had some losses on the defensive side of the ball as well as the offensive line and free agency. So there's some questions to answer. Tom Brady recently said, you know, he was 55-45 in terms of coming back. So you do wonder about that a little bit. Not that we doubt Tom Brady, but it's just another thing to add to the pile. Look, the Saints have a new head coach as well. Jameis Winston's health, we don't know how he's coming back from that injury. So there's questions with both teams. But I think that New Orleans defense is a high level unit. And I think that's why they're a real threat.
Okay, a lot of optimism for the Saints. You saw they were 9-8 last year. They missed the playoffs. So RC, then it stands to reason, since Brady came back to win a Super Bowl, are these Saints Super Bowl contenders?
I believe the Saints can be Super Bowl contenders. Now, there's a little more ifs on this Saints offense than you probably have in Tampa Bay. If Chris Olave is everything we think he was when he was drafted number 11, if Jarvis Landry could stay healthy throughout the entire season, if Alvin Kamara's off-the-field issue in Las Vegas is settled in the right way. So there are some things we have to get to. But if Michael Thomas comes back and can be close to what he once was, if Jameis Winston is healthy, and he's the quarterback that had them at 5-2 last year, we already know this defense is going to be flat out phenomenal. You replace the two safeties, you lose with two guys who are at least as good, if not better. On the corners, you have Paulson, Adebo, and obviously Marshawn Lattimore, who will be locked down out there. And Demario Williams is probably the best player at his position. Sorry, Demario Davis is probably the best player at his position that no one knows. And so I think when you look at this Saints team, now under new coach Dennis Allen, we can see them elevate their play offensively, keep up the stellar play defensively, which has been Super Bowl caliber the last 3 years, and their offense let them down. Yes, the offense let them down. This year, that may not be the case.
All right. You know, I still say, look, Sean Payton, losing him, it's a big deal, but still they've got continuity in the head coaching and assistant stepping up. And so you can't doubt these Saints. Got to see how far they can go. Coming up, Aaron, what's that?
I like the way RC talks.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.